What is Kodi and how to use it? Today I'm going to show you everything you must know so you can decide in the next few minutes whether Kodi is right for you and start using it the correct way without confusion. If you have ever heard about Kodi and wondered what it actually does or how people use it to organize and play media, this guide gives you clear answers and a simple path forward right now. Kodi is a free media app that lets you play and organize your own videos, music, photos, and live streams in one place. Think of it as a media hub that turns your phone, computer, or TV into a personal entertainment center. Kodi itself does not come with movies or shows already included. Instead, it helps you play content you already have or content you connect to through approved sources. This is important to understand early so you know exactly what Kodi can and cannot do. To start using Kodi, the first step is installing it on your device. Kodi works on Android, Windows, Mac, Linux, and some smart TVs. Once installed, open the app and you will see a clean menu with options like movies, TV shows, music, and pictures. At first, these sections may be empty and that is normal. Kodi is waiting for you to tell it whether your media is stored, such as files saved on your device or on an external drive. Next, you add your media to Kodi. Go to the section you want, choose the option to add files, and select the folder where your videos or music are located. Kodi will scan the folder and organize everything into a simple library with titles, artwork, and details. This makes it much easier to browse your content compared to opening files one by one. Once this is done, you can play your media directly from Kodi with just a few clicks. Kodi also supports add-ons, which are small tools that expand what the app can do. Add-ons can bring in live TV, radio, or online content from legitimate providers. To add one, go to the add-on section, browse the available options, and install what fits your needs. Stick to official and trusted add-ons to keep things safe and stable. You do not need add-ons to enjoy Kodi, but they can be helpful once you are comfortable using the basics. Using Kodi day-to-day is simple. You open the app, choose the type of media you want, and press play. You can pause, rewind, adjust volume, and even customize how Kodi looks through themes and settings. If something feels overwhelming, you can ignore advanced options and just focus on playing your media. Kodi works well even if you only use its basic features. The biggest benefit of Kodi is control. You decide what content to add, how it is organized, and how it plays. There are no forced ads, no required subscriptions, and no complicated setup if you keep things simple. Once you understand that Kodi is a tool, not a content provider, everything becomes much easier to use. By now, you should clearly understand what Kodi is and how to use it. It is a flexible media app designed to organize and play your content in one place. If you want a clean, customizable way to manage your media without relying on multiple apps, Kodi can be set up and used today with confidence even if you're starting from zero.